Are you eager to bring your app ideas to life without the hassle of coding? Are you looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on functionality? Well, look no further. In today's video, we have something special for you. We're going to unveil the top 5 Android app builders that will empower you to create stunning apps without ever touching a single line of code. Yes, you heard it right. Get ready to witness the magic of app development made easy. Number 5. Thunkable. Thunkable is a versatile no-code platform that allows you to build Android apps using a visual drag-and-drop interface. It supports both classic and cross-platform app development. Thunkable offers numerous design options, data integration capabilities, and a vibrant community to help you bring your app ideas to life. Number 4. Codulearn. Codulearn is a powerful no-code app builder that enables you to create professional Android apps without coding. It provides a user-friendly visual interface and a wide range of components and extensions to enhance app functionality. With Codulearn, you can build apps with custom designs and integrate various APIs effortlessly. Number 3. Android Builder. This intuitive tool simplifies Android app development with its drag-and-drop interface. It offers a variety of templates and pre-built components, making it quick and easy to create customized apps. Android Builder supports data integration, UI design, and app testing, making it a valuable choice for no-code app development. Number 2. App Inventor. This no-code platform empowers users to build Android apps using a block-based interface. It's a great choice for beginners and educational purposes. App Inventor provides a wide range of components and functionalities, allowing you to create interactive apps with ease. Number 1 on our list is Flipabit. With Flipabit, you can create powerful cross-platform apps for Android, iOS, Windows, and macOS. Its drag-and-drop interface and visual programming make it easy to design and develop apps without writing code. Flipabit offers a range of features, customization options, and data integration capabilities. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.